The Southern Railway has notified diversion of Chennai to Guruvayur train express to facilitate engineering works in Thiruvananthapuram division. Train number 16128 Guruvayur to Chennai Egmore Express leaving Guruvayur at 11:15 pm on May 7, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 19, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 28, 29 and 30 and 31 will be diverted to run via Kottayam and skipping stoppages at Ernakulam and Alappuzha. Likewise, train number 16127 from Chennai Egmore to Guruvayur leaving Chennai at 9 am will be diverted to run via Kottayam, skipping stoppages at Alappuzha on the same days. An additional stoppage will be provided at Kottayam for the convenience of passengers.